guys, my name is Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be doing my monthly Ipsy unbagging, unboxing, whatever you guys like to call these videos. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month beauty subscription service that features everything from makeup to skincare to hair care to nail care to beauty tools. I've been subscribed for over 5 years and I'm a pretty loyal Ipsy subscriber, and you guys know I've been doing these videos for a long time. Really eager to share with you guys my Ipsy video for this month because there are some huge changes that are coming to Ipsy and the Ipsy subscription. Not only did I want to share with you guys what is inside my Ipsy bag for this month, but also share with you some of the changes that are coming to Ipsy in October. I am not partnered with Ipsy or anything like that. They just sent this email out all Ipsy subscribers about the changes coming to Ipsy in October. Now, as I mentioned, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription, and for the past however many years they've been around, that is true. It's always been $10. However, things are changing. Ipsy will now be $11 per month instead of $10, and it will be $132 a year. However, since I've been subscribed for actually it's been over 6 years, they are honoring my $110 a month, or $110 a month, $110 a year price. They are honoring it for this next year. So I will still get the $10 a month price since I've been subscribed for so long. Now, I'm not sure how many years you have to be subscribed. You have had to been subscribed to Ipsy for them to honor that price, the $10 a month for the next year. But they are honoring the $10 a month fee or price for me for this coming year. So when I originally subscribed to Ipsy, I subscribed in October. So in October is when a new year starts for me for Ipsy, but the price increase will not affect me until the year 2021. That's really exciting, and I'm really glad that they were willing to do that. I didn't even ask them. It was just in the email that they sent to me letting me know of the changes that are coming. Also with Ipsy, the subscription, you fill out a beauty quiz and they choose the product for you in the past for, again, however long they've been around, and that is also changing. You will now get to pick one of your 5 products that you will receive in your Ipsy bag every month. Other 4 products you will still be surprised of, but you do get to pick one of the products in your Ipsy bag. And since it's the end of September, I have already chosen one of my products for my October bag, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I'm receiving and what I chose. So that's really awesome. You're guaranteed to at least get one product that you love. They also have a really pretty wide variety of products that you can choose from as one of your 5 products. I also want to point out I am still subscribed to the regular Glam Bag subscription. I am not subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus. I simply can't afford it. Honestly, I just don't feel like I need it right now. Another thing that's coming to Ipsy is they are guaranteeing that you will receive more than $50 worth of product in your Ipsy bag, which I think is pretty amazing. Even with the price increase for $11 and you're getting $50 worth of product, like, that's pretty good. The value of Ipsy products have already been really great, so I'm excited to see what my October bag looks like. So every single month you'll be guaranteed to receive at least $50 worth of product in your bag. And again, these changes are specifically for Glam Bag, just the regular Glam Bag subscription. Again, I'm not subscribe to any of the other plans. And then the next thing I'm about to share with you guys is another new plan that they have in addition to the Glam Bag Plus subscription. Ipsy is introducing Glam Bag Ultimate, so you will receive 12 products in your bag, or it will honestly be a box, and I'm not sure the price point of that subscription. It has not been released yet. When I'm filming this video, I don't know when this video will be uploaded, but it has not been released yet. But again, I cannot afford it, and I simply don't need it. They will now have 3 different plans. They will have Glam Bag Plus, and Glam Bag Ultimate. That is very exciting, and lots of different options for all levels of beauty enthusiasts. Also, I don't know if this is part of the big changes that are coming to Ipsy, or if like they're counting this as part of that. The point perks have been really, really great. They've increased the amount of point products you get to choose from. A lot of them are full-size products now. Right now there's some palettes on there and like a full-size mascara. I'm not going to tell you guys what I redeemed my Ipsy points for recently, but I will receive that in next month's bag, and I'm really excited. I know some people are going to be disappointed about the price increase. For some people, even $1 is a lot, so I know some people are going to be disappointed that the price of Ipsy is going up. If it would have went to $12, I would be canceling next year, but $11 I could probably do. And I know that's how they're gonna like get some of us, like keep us, is like people are gonna say like, oh, it's only $1, but you know, that's how it starts with any subscription. Oh, it's only increasing $1. So we'll see where Ipsy goes in the next few years. I will still be subscribed for this year for sure, since they are honoring the $10 price for me. I will still be subscribed then. I will let you guys know if anything changes on my Ipsy, since I've been doing these videos for so long. I just wanted to share with you guys those changes. That being said, since there are so many changes coming to Ipsy, and they also did some rebranding, their logo looks a little bit different, and so just a lot of rebranding happening to Ipsy because of all the changes, and I wanted to share them with you. This Ipsy video is going to be a bit longer, as you can probably already tell if you've made it this far, so I apologize about that, but I did want to share them with you guys. Those are all the major changes that are coming to Ipsy. So let's go ahead and see what is inside my September Ipsy bag for September 2019. Oh, another change that is coming to Ipsy is now if you sign up using my link, I will receive 600 points instead of 250. That's another change. That's where anybody that uses anybody's referral link to sign up, that subscribers will receive 600 points for using like somebody's link to sign up. If you sign up to Ipsy using my link in the description, I will receive 600 points to redeem in the Ipsy points store, if you will. So yeah, that's another change. But for real, let's go ahead and see what's inside my September bag for 2019. Well, before we get into the products, I always like to review the bag design. Personally, I think this bag is so cute. This is like my favorite, one of my favorite shades of pink, and I love the, I think it's called Constellation design, and then it has this pretty zipper right here, and it's just a cute little bag, and again, I love the color, so I'll definitely be keeping this one. The first product in my Ipsy bag I wanted to share with you, the product that did not fit in my Ipsy bag, and it was in the bubble mailer, and that is this brush, and this is by the brand Farah. I'm not sure what number it is. I'll have to look on the card in a minute when I open my bag. Oh, it's on the brush. This is the Contour 218M brush, and it's in the shade Midnight Blue. It looks still kind of black on camera, but it's definitely Midnight Blue. I personally love Farah brushes. I think that's how you say it. The quality of their brushes are really great, and as you guys know, I love receiving makeup brushes in my Ipsy bag. Here is the card for this month. Oh, I guess I could have used this card to talk about all the changes instead of my phone, but it really doesn't matter. This theme is Discover Yourself. Now that they include a card with the product information, I look and see if there's anything noteworthy to tell you guys about, and for the Farah Contour Brush, it is vegan and cruelty-free. The next product we have in my September Ipsy bag is by the brand Smashbox Cosmetics, and this is the Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and they chose the shade 1.05 for me, so I hope this is the right shade. I'm excited to try this. Oh, how did they do that? I actually swatched the foundation. I don't even know if you can tell because it blends so well. So it looks like they picked the perfect match for me, which I don't know how they did that because I've seen this line of foundations and there's quite a few shades. So that's exciting that they picked the right one for me. Even though it's a very small sample, it's enough to at least use several times to kind of get to know if I like it or not. And I haven't really played around with a lot of or any Smashbox foundation, so I'm excited to give this a try. Alright, the next product here came in this little packaging, but it must have fell out in the mail transit. This product is by the brand Skin Iceland, and it's solutions for stressed skin, and this is the Icelandic Youth Serum with red algae. My skin doesn't like Skin Iceland, it just makes it really red and irritated, so I will be passing this product along to someone else, but I really get disappointed when I receive Skin Iceland products in my Ipsy bag because I receive them kind of frequently, and my skin, like I said, just doesn't like the brand. This is a bit disappointing. The next product I received in my Ipsy bag for this month is by the brand Glow Recipe, and this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I don't really use these extra products like sleeping masks. I feel like with skincare, less is more. I will again be passing this product along to someone. Another disappointing product. The last product that I received in my September 2019 Ipsy bag is probably the one that, well, it is the one that I'm most excited about. This is a product from the Ofra Cosmetics and Madison Miller collaboration, and I'm so excited. You guys know Ofra Cosmetics is one of my favorite brands. And if you guys have not heard of Madison Miller, she is an amazing makeup vlogger, and I absolutely love her videos. I love her PR unboxings. There's honestly not that many beauty vloggers that I like all of their videos, where there's just something about the type of videos that she films. I love every single one. When I heard that she was doing a collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, I was so excited. I haven't gotten the chance to purchase anything from there yet. I was so excited when I saw it in my sneak peek that I was receiving this product. This is the Smiley for Riley lip gloss. And if you guys don't know, Riley is her daughter. She is absolutely adorable, so that's so cute. She named one of her lip glosses after her. So this limited collab between Ofra Cosmetics and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This frosty gloss leaves lips with a hint of shimmer, and it doesn't feel the least bit sticky. Ugh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna swatch this right now because I'm just that excited. I have really high hopes for this gloss because I know Madison is just like me and hates sticky glosses, so I'm sure this will be good. This is not sticky at all, but I received, it's just like a clear gloss. I was hoping it would have some color, but once I maybe apply it over a lipstick or something, it'll look better. Sometimes you can't go wrong with these kind of glosses either because you can wear it with literally anything. I'm still super excited about this because I love a nice gloss and so excited to receive this product from Madison's collab. I absolutely love her and her videos, and this was so exciting. So that is everything that I received in my Ipsy bag for September 2019. I really only liked 3 of the products, which isn't too bad, I guess, but 2 disappointing products, but maybe next month will be better since I got to pick one of my products, so that's really exciting. But overall, I am happy with majority of the products, and again, super excited about that gloss, and also really excited that they match my foundation for Smashbox Cosmetics perfectly. Let me know what you received in your Ipsy bag down in the comments below if you subscribe to Ipsy. So let me know your thoughts on the changes that are coming to Ipsy. These are some pretty big changes, and they rolled out a ton of changes at once. So that's it for this unboxing, unbagging for Ipsy this month, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!